Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to test how much traffic your website can handle without crashing it immediately, you need to use a special thread group in JMeter called the stepping thread group. So many beginners make the mistake of adding hundreds of users all at the exact same time, which breaks the server instantly and gives us useless results. So today I will show you the exact official way to increase your user load step by step, just like real world users visiting a website. So here I have the JMeter UI open, where we can add the stepping thread group by right clicking and clicking the add and threads, and you can select the stepping thread group here. So you can see this plugin is amazing for beginners because it gives you a clear visual chart, as you can see here at the bottom, and that shows exactly how your test will run before you even hit the start button. So in our settings here, we can give any name to the thread group, my thread group, or any name that is meaningful, and put some comments so the user who opens the test the next time will understand what's going on and why is this thread was created. And these settings are pretty common, the continue and all those things. And the most important thing is the thread scheduling parameters. So here I have the 100 threads or the 100 virtual users to start. So it doesn't load the system with hit the server with 100 users all at the same time. We give you the how slowly to ramp up. So we are saying add 10 threads every 30 seconds. So you can see that, so 10 threads every 30 seconds. So that gives you 10 times 10. So it has to do 10 times 10 steps to reach the goal of 100 users. So that is the important thing. So this is useful for testing your projects. So instead of hitting the server with a sudden rush of traffic, so we are configuring the load to be, we are asking the JMeter to add 10 new users every 30 seconds, or you can say 10 user every 100 seconds if you want it to be very slow, if that's how your users come. Or if your user come very fast, you can even make it add 10 threads every 10 seconds. So once JMeter reaches the goal of 100 users, you want to specify how long to hold that peak load, so that you can see how the system will handle. So here I have the hold the load for 60 seconds, but typically you might want to hold it for 10 minutes or 100 minutes, whichever your goal is. And the other settings you can see here is, first you want to wait for some seconds. For example, you don't want the load test to start immediately. You might want to start after 100 seconds. So you can see here it's flat, nothing happens. Maybe you want to wait for something to warm up or something, whatever reason. Or if you just want to start the test immediately as soon as you click the play button or run that JMeter CLI. So the test starts immediately. So it's going to take the first 10 seconds to ramp up the first 10 users, and then it's going to using the ramp up time of 5 seconds. So, and then the next step, it is going to keep adding 10 users. So you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 100, and it's going to maintain that load for 10 minutes, which is 600 seconds. And finally the test is going to stop 5 threads or 5 virtual users every 1 second. That is too much, too fast. Maybe you want to say, I want to stop 10 users every 30 seconds. So you can see here how the load is getting, when the tests, at the end of the test, it's going to ramp down at this pace. Every 30 seconds it's going to reduce the load. It's going to stop 10 threads. So after every 30 seconds you'll see 90 users, 80 users. So it's exactly here we ramped up, and here it's going to ramp down. So the best practice is always to use these stepped workloads for stress testing. So whenever you want to do any type of stress testing, right click and add the stepping thread group, and there you have all the settings as explained in this video. So this type of testing prevents any false errors and gives you precise data on server performance. So you can use this configuration in your next performance test to get that perfect result every single time. So please like and subscribe this video. It greatly helps the channel to grow, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.